Hello everyone, welcome to my another YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how to send automatically personalized emails to hundreds of leads while you sleep. Most businesses waste hundreds of hours to send follow-ups, or they send boring emails that nobody opens. This workflow changes everything. It sends unique and personalized emails for each leads and just within minutes. So let me show you how to build this. Let's jump into our workflow. In our workflow, our first node is webhook node. So here we use webhook. You can also use here manual trigger instead of webhook. I use webhook because I have button on Excel sheet. When I click on send button, it will execute our whole workflow. After that, there is another node which is getting leads. So actually I have an Excel sheet. In this I have these emails and these leads name. So I have to send customized emails to them. This node extract those emails, like here name and email. It extracts name and emails and then send customized emails to them. So after that I have a filter node. I use filter node because it skips those leads which have emails fields are empty. After that I have this loop node. What it will do, actually this implement whole process again and again for each leads, and this is the main, or we can say that this is the important part of our this workflow, which customize emails for every leads. After this node, the most important node is the AI agent node, serve as the brain of the personalization engine. Actually it takes leads raw data and transforms into natural and conversational content for the leads. And here we define our prompt message, that why we sending the mails to leads. After that we connect the Anthropic account here, and you can choose any cloud model which generate emails content according to our these requirements or these prompts message. After that I connect structured output parser node here because it convert text into email format. After this node we have mail node. So this actually sends email to the lead. So this is the email content generated by our AI agent, and these are the three: subject line, email body, and lead email parameters which we have to require. So now you can use lead email, this parameter here, and subject line here, and then we use email body parameter here. So now it will send this email to our lead. So after that, this is the Excel sheet node which update send column here for the leads to whom the email was sent. After this I will show you results. You can see results here. This is a customized email sent to the Frank lead by our AI agent. So that's how you can send emails to all leads easily and set it up once, and it works by itself. Thank you.